Good morning. Welcome, everybody. This is a quick recap of some trades that we took here in the futures market this morning. It's a trade taken live in the trading room. This is the NASDAQ market, NQ. This is the NASDAQ futures December contract, and it is $5 a tick. I wanted to show you something here. We had been in a range earlier in the morning, and we had a nice breakthrough down through support that happened right around the open. 6:30 Pacific is the open of the market, right around in here somewhere. So a few minutes into the open, of course, you see we get a nice breakdown, and we get what we call a textbook, just a textbook deep probe here. A deep probe is when bars turn the other color. Still in a downtrend. Guidance on this chart from the 12 range chart shown in these dots right here, it was short. So right before news, we had existing home sales this morning that disappointed right at 7 o'clock Pacific. And we sold, we got filled right up here as it came up to this 27.22 prior support level, which had become resistance. And our stop was just above this pivot. We were just a few ticks above the pivot right here. See that swing? So it didn't quite get to our stop. Went a little higher. We felt about 6, 7, 8 ticks of heat, not too much, as it continued to retrace. And you can see what happened after that. Of course, been a lot of disappointing earnings announcements this morning. The news has been somewhat disappointing, so the market reacted in our favor by selling off. You see you have some nice movement down, back up, down, back up, down through the pivots, down through the pivots, continuing to drop precipitously. The other thing we watch when we're trading NASDAQ is Apple. That is the 600 billion pound gorilla in the room. And Apple's just been hammered. I think it's down $7 or $8 a share here today. It's a good little ticker to keep your eye on. I usually keep like FinanceYahoo.com or one of those sites up. Just keep a little eye on the ticker on Apple if you're trading NASDAQ. And when that puppy's down, 9 times out of 10, your NASDAQ market's going to drop nicely. The other thing I wanted to point out here is that you don't need to take a lot of trades to make money in the morning. You can see here, this is just one NASDAQ contract, and it's dropped, 120 ticks. If you had 2 contracts on here, you'd be up over $1,000. Just one trade. This is what we call one and done. Just let the market drop. As it continues to drop, we will trail our stop. Let's continue to drop with our stop. And let it ride as long as it's going to ride. It's taken out all the pivots. You have to do pivot extensions when you get below here. They're at every 20 ticks. We ran out of pivots at 27.05 right here, and they're about 20 ticks apart. So when you need to do pivot extensions, you simply go about 20 ticks below the prior one and continue to extend the pivots on down. Like such. 26.95, 26.90, and as the market continues to move in our favor, we will just continue to move the stop. All right? Well, enjoy the rest of your Friday. Just wanted to show this little NASDAQ trade we took live in the room, continuing to trail the stop and let it move in our favor. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you later. Bye now.